I've got a nice clip here of, in my opinion, what appears to be vegetation on the surface of the moon. This is the south pole of the moon, bottom of the moon. We've got a nice green tinge over the surface of the moon, and we're going to get it nice and close so you can have a real good look at it. Now, some people will say it's chromatic aberration, but it's 100% not. The chromatic aberration you can see around the edges of the crater walls there, which appear, you can see the separation of colours, the red, the yellow, the white and the blue. Now below that crater there, you can see it's got a nice green, dark green tinge to it. Now I'm going to move and pan along a bit so you can see the different colours on the surface of the moon, and you'll see specific areas that appear a lot greener than other areas. In my opinion, I think there's some form of algae growing on the moon, because this appears around spring summertime, and this is a clip from last year. This now, it's not unusual, it's not an impossibility, as we know, because algae has been found on the outside of the International Space Station, so it can survive in harsh conditions. We're going to go on further down now, further to the south part of the moon, and we do know there's water on the moon, because that's where all the spacecraft are heading towards, to the water on the bottom of the moon. But they won't tell you that. Now, as we can see here, there's no green at all, no greenery, but as we move across, we'll pan across and we'll see the difference between this part of the moon and the other part of the moon. So as we're getting up now, I'm going to zoom into that crater there, and you'll see a lot of greenery. And to support this, an experiment was carried out by a team of scientists from the University of Florida, and they successfully grew cress in soil brought back from the moon, from different areas of the moon. Sea Tranquility, Oceanus Procellarum, and the Taurus littoral region, which was the Apollo missions 11, 12 and 17 missions, and they actually grew cress out of the moon soil. And as we can see now, we can see the green coming into view now as they're getting close. Now I'm going to get in a lot closer and you'll see what I mean. Anyway, this cress that they did grow, that they managed to grow, was very good. Different parts, different soil from different areas of the moon, the cress did grow differently and actually changed genetically, and the cress adapted to the harsh conditions of the moon soil. So its actual genes changed, which is not unusual, because plants do adapt and they do change. So it's quite possible to grow vegetation out of moon soil. So this is not a stretch of the imagination. Now, if you look at that now, you will see, I'm going to get a little bit closer, and you will see the differences. Like this bottom region here does look like it's got some form of algae growing on it. And by the way, if you like what I'm doing and you like these videos, please like and subscribe, and let us know your opinion on what this could possibly be, bearing in mind that this is a water-rich section of the moon. Anyway, thanks for watching, and bye for now.